This video focuses on registration management, covering how to customize official online forms, set up products, and invite previous players to re-register. Editing and customizing your forms. It's important to know that New Zealand Football provides every club with official player, coach, and administrator registration forms. This means there's no need to create the core forms yourself. You can customize the official New Zealand Football forms so that they also meet your club needs for registering and renewing your club members. Open and final date of entries. By default, the forms open on the 1st of January and close on the 31st of December. It's important to set your own open and close dates. Under Advanced Options, select and specify your open and close off dates. Setting these dates controls when the form is visible and accepting registrations. You can easily edit these dates at any time if you need to pause registrations unexpectedly. Adding club-specific questions are key to capturing the right information for your club. The question fields appearing in grey are set by New Zealand Football and cannot be altered. However, you can add your own club-specific questions at the bottom of the form. Select Add Section, followed by Add Question. Choose your question type and then your desired answer type for the most effective response. You can then choose whether you want to make the answer required or leave it as optional. Terms and conditions. If you have terms and conditions you need registrants to agree to, type or copy and paste them into the terms and conditions box. For a cleaner look, you can also hyperlink text out to a separate document. Adding text here will automatically generate a checkbox that must be ticked at the time of registration. Product and accounting integration. If your club is enabled for payments, this is where you link the fees and products associated with your registration. This integration is what allows members to pay online when they complete the form. Here you can add both required and optional products. This may include standard club fees, uniform purchases, or optional donations. There is also the ability to set automation triggers and discount rules based on answers selected on the form, such as player grade or membership type. If you have Xero or MYOB connected, you can also ensure that invoices are automatically raised. You also have further options to nominate products to go to different account codes and set tracking codes. Once you are happy with the form, select the Save button to lock in your changes. Admin testing and sharing. Before going live with your registration form, it's a good idea to perform admin testing. This lets you experience what your players, parents, and caregivers will be completing. Select the chain link icon and copy the form URL. Paste this into a new tab. Go through the form as a test. Pay for an item and select the Pay Later option if necessary. Ensure all fields, payment links, and system responses are appearing and working as you would expect. Once you are happy, you can display and share the form with your community. This can be done by using the online form widget, linking from a button, or sending an email through Super CRM. The re-registration function. Finally, let's take a look at Sporty's re-registration function within Super CRM. Instead of having last year's players manually re-enter all of their details, Sporty administrators can send an email to your existing database to quickly re-register. Within Super CRM, create a filter based on a previous season or form and initiate a re-registration email using the Send Invitation to Register function. This sends a unique link to last year's members, inviting them to re-register. The link populates the new season form with their known details, allowing them to simply confirm and submit with minimal effort. If their address, phone number, or any other detail has changed, they can easily amend these fields before submitting. Using this function saves your community time and effort when it comes to re-registering your online forms on Sporty.